Today we will talk about infile statement. Infile statement is nothing but a local statement. Okay, it is a local statement. We can extract or import the source data from outside to inside. Okay, so you have to give the definition as well. What is infile statement in interview question means you have to say we can extract or import the source data from outside to inside. Okay, so see the syntax here: data, new data set. Okay, so what we have to give new data set from the whatever text file name we are giving, that only we have to give in the new data set. Then infile, in single quotations you have to give file path location, then options you will use here. Okay, then input variables semicolon. Here no cards because we are importing records from outside to inside. So already we have observations in our source data, so no need. Okay, then run semicolon. File path must be in single quotes. Okay, otherwise you can use double quotes as well. Okay, source data contains observation values only. Okay, and source files are nothing but external files, are text, Excel, MS Access. But in infile statement we use only text files, not Excel and MS Access. Okay, to extract this Excel and MS Access data we will use proc import. Okay, text files are delimiter files. Okay, our SAS terminology is nothing but text files are nothing but delimiter files. Delimiter may be a special symbol, comma, pipe, tab. Okay, so observation values are separated by space called space delimiter. When our observation is nothing but row, right? Row values are separated by space means it is known as space delimiter. By default we can import space delimiter. For others we will specify this option. This is a special option, that is nothing but DLM. DLM is equals to, in single quotations whatever symbol is there that we will specify here, whether it is a comma, otherwise pipe, otherwise tab. Okay, whatever is there we will place here. Okay, according to our source data we will give the symbol in single quotations. Okay, we will have two special infile options, DLM and DSD. One interview question they might ask that what are the special infile options. For that you have to say DLM and DSD are the special options. So DLM, there are 5 types of delimiter files. Okay, space delimiter, comma delimiter, pipe delimiter, tab delimiter, any other special delimiter. So values are separated by space is known as space delimiter. Values are separated by comma is known as comma delimiter. Values are separated by pipe is known as pipe delimiter. Then values are separated by tab, that is known as tab delimiter. Here these are multiple symbols. Okay, so here you can see this exclamatory mark, @ $, percentage and %. These are the multiple symbols we will use, that is nothing but special delimiter we will say. So we will not use tab and space delimiter here. Okay, you can see the note, we use option DLM other than space delimited file. Okay, by default we can import space delimiter only. So infile options you can see here, first OBS, length, retain. These options we will use. Where we will use here. Okay, we will use options here. So other options are there: flow over, miss over, stop over, scan over, trunk over. Okay, these options we will use. Length doesn't work for space delimiter. This is an important note. Okay, length statement doesn't work for space delimiter when values are separated by space. Length statement works for other delimiters like hash, comma, pipe when values are separated by space. Okay, we will talk about now infile statement. When we will use means Say in real time our client shares a source data to a clinical lab. Okay, I am working in TCS and my client is from Pfizer. So my Pfizer client will send me the source data. Now we will talk about how real time client sends source data to us, in which format he or she send. So here client shares source data in Excel files or text files or from MS Access. Clear? Text or Excel or MS Access. He will send the source data and he will give the observation values also. You don't need to write observation values also. So first we'll talk about the text files. So here my folder name is log. Okay, right click, go to new, click on folder. Here I am giving folder name as infile. Okay, then click on enter, click again, then here this folder is empty. Okay, so double click. Okay, click on new, click on text document. I am giving my text document name as DMM. Click on enter. Okay, again click. After this, open here. Observation values I am giving, that is age is 23, name is Ravi. Okay, and height is this one, weight is this one, like that I am giving numbers. Really, how many observations you can see here? 10 observations. Okay, so I'm saving this file. Save. So here I'm typing data and what is the text document name? DMM. That only we will write as a data set name. Then in file, double click on this, go to properties. Okay, go to security, copy this path. We have to copy this entire path. So it is displaying .txt. Okay, our text document extension is .txt. Okay, copy this and close this, and I'm pasting here semicolon. Then input we have to give what we have given ID, then age, after that name. Name is a character variable, for that we have to give $sign, dollar symbol, then height, weight, semicolon, run semicolon. Print data equal to DMM semicolon, run semicolon. Now you can see clearly. So instead of single quotation, shall I use double quotations? Will it work out or not? We will see. Yes, it's working. No worries in that. Single quotes or double quotes, anything is fine. I'll run this again. Okay. It is showing all the observations whatever in my external file is there. External file is nothing but the source file. Right. That only it is printing. Right. So I want only my observations to be printed from 5 to 10. So which option we will use, first OBS or OBS? First OBS, because it will specify the starting observation number. And I want my observations to be printed 5 to 8. Then first OBS is equals to 5, separate with a space, and OBS is equals to 8. Okay, shall we do that? Yes. So where we will write no set statement, right? And we are importing our data from outside to inside. For that purpose, we will write here. Okay. So give the space, and I'm writing first OBS equal to what number? From 5 I want to know, and I am giving space, then OBS is equals to 8. Okay. Now I'll run this code. Okay. So when I run this, you can see from 5 to 8 it is printing. Yes. Again I am creating a text file. I'll go to my desktop and I'll right click on it, then new and a folder. Okay, and I'm giving my folder name as source. Yes, this is my source folder. So in the desktop you can see here source folder. So drag this from here to here. Okay, you can see here source. Okay, right click here, new and text document. Click on text document. After that, give the name. I'm giving my text file as AB. Okay, when you double click on this, you can see here text file. Text file is nothing but a delimiter file. So I'm giving my values here. Okay, file, save. Okay, I'm minimizing this. Then afterwards I'll go to SAS. Okay, so I should write the dataset name what I have given in the text file, that only we will write here. So next is infile. Okay, and single quotations. Okay, now to copy the path, what we will do? Yes, right click this, go to the properties and go to the security and copy the object name. Clear? This is object name. I'm copying. Control C, then cancel this. Okay, I'm pasting here. Okay, so my data set name is AB because my text file name is AB. In real time also you will do the same. Clear? Next, I'll give input according to me, but in real time in your protocol document you have the inputs. The client only share to you in real time. No need to, don't go for assumption. Okay, they will only give you, they will only provide you in the protocol. You can see the inputs. Okay, now I'm assuming and I'm writing here. Okay, so here is age, ID, age and name, right? So I'll write here ID, age, name with a dollar because it is a character variable. Clear? Then I'll not write cards and this one cards and observations are not required for us, right? Then proc print data equal to AB is my data set name, right? Run semicolon. Okay, I'll run this. Okay, I'll run this, but you can't see Varma till M only it is printing. Okay, Ram, Kishore, Sharma, Varma I have given. It's not showing. So what we will write? To increase the length of the character variable, which statement we will use? Length statement. Okay, length statement is used where? Before the input statement. Okay, before the input statement we need to use the length statement. So LENGTH, length. So name only, no, only name length I need to give. So okay, average length we can give. You can see here that how many letters are there actually. No need to count. You can give 20. Okay, safe side, for the safe side give 20 as a length. Okay, I'm running now. Okay, so you can see here Ram, Kishore, Varma, like that. You can see I want my name variable to be printed after age. So for that purpose I'll use here retain statement. I explained, you know, retain statement, where we will write retain statement before the length statement. We'll write the retain statement. Why we will use retain statement? Okay, to change the variable creation order we will use the retain statement. ID, age, name. Okay, so for that retain we will not use here $sign. My order is ID, age, name. Don't give $sign. Clear? So I'm running this. Okay, you can see clearly here ID, age, name. Okay, done with the length, retain, and first OBS. These are options, first OBS and OBS. Okay, so till now it is clear for you. Okay, first OBS and OBS we are writing after our file path location. After file path location we are writing that. but retain length normal, no? I have explained you before retain and length where we will use. That is clear for you. Okay, no doubts in that. Okay, now I'll create one more. Here only I'll create one more text file, text document. So I'm creating one more. I'm giving AC. Okay, my text document name as AC. I'm giving psi comma 89,000. So these are my observations here. Okay, you can see the differences here in the AB text file. You can see here my observation values are separated by space. Clear? But in the AC, observation values are separated by comma. Observation values are separated by comma. So then will my output give the result when we run this particular observations? Will it give result or not? We will see. Okay, file, save this. Clear? Then minimize this. Okay, again to copy the file, right click, go to the properties and go to the security and copy this path and close this. Then after that we will go here in the SAS software. Then yeah, data, my data set name is AC, yes, semicolon, then in file, single quotation, semicolon, what is my path, whatever I have copied. So I copied the path, now I am pasting here. Okay, after that input ID name with a $sign I'll give, and salary, right? I'll give sal. Okay, semicolon, then run, semicolon, then I'm copying this. Okay, yeah, I'm copying this and I'm pasting here. Then yes, AC is my data set name. Why? Because my text file name is also AC. Clear? I'm running this. It is not giving me output. So for that purpose, we will use DLM equal to single quotations with a comma, because comma I am giving no, right? So I'll run now. Data is successfully imported here. Now I'll create one more text document. Okay. And I'm giving name as AE. AE is my text document name. What you are observing here? So in my AB, my observation values are separated by space. Yes. In my AC, my observation values are separated by comma here. In my AB text file, my observation values are separated by, this is nothing but pipe symbol. What you'll say? Pipe symbol. Okay, got it? Now you can have an idea what is this means, what is this symbol means? Pipe symbol. Clear? Okay, one more text file I'll create and I'll explain both once. Okay, so this is my AD. Okay, AD text file, and okay, I will give one more thing here. I am clicking tab button and I am giving the names. Okay, I am not giving space. I am clicking tab button. Okay, before enter button you can see above the enter button you can see the tab in your keyboard, and I am giving values. So you can see we will compare these all the things. Okay, so in my AB I have observation values separated by the space, so we will say this one as space delimiter. Text file is nothing but delimited files. Yes, so which delimited file it is? It is a space delimited file. Okay, in SAS we have 5 types of delimited files, so I'll explain you these 5 delimited files. Okay, so this is another space delimited file. Okay, then this one is comma delimited file because my observation values are separated by comma. Okay, next is AE, right? AE is nothing but observation values are separated by the pipe symbol, so this is nothing but the pipe delimited file. Okay, next is AD. which means we are not giving space here. You think that this is a space so that you can run easily the program. No, this is a tab delimited file. Clear? Okay, next is I'll create one more text file, AV. Okay, I'm giving the values here like this. What you are seeing here, a dollar symbol, right? This is a dollar symbol. I'm saving this also. Okay, and the previous thing also I'll save because I didn't save, I think so. Here you are seeing the dollar symbol. Observation values are separated by dollar here. So this is nothing but the delimited file which contains different symbols. Okay, you can have hash instead of dollar, you can have a exclamatory mark, or you can have a star. So this is nothing but which delimited file? Any other delimited file that contains different special symbols. Okay, so yeah, first I'll talk comma is done. Okay, next is this one. No, so I'll save this one, file save. Okay, I'll minimize this. Which text file it is? AE. I will explain now. Pipe delimited file, so that contains in the AE text file. So AE text. So this is my AE text. I'm right clicking here. Okay, so go to the properties and copy the path. I copied this path and I'm data. AE is my text file name, right? File, single quotations with the semicolon, right? I'm pasting that path. Okay, and input, same input you have to give, no, right? I'm copying this and I'm pasting here simply. Okay, so AE, no, my dataset name is AE, that's why I'm giving AE. And here I need to give DLM is equal to which delimited file I'm explaining you? Pipe, no? Okay, we have to give pipe symbol here. So okay, data is imported successfully from outside to inside. So pipe is done. Next is what? Tab. I need to explain tab also. I'll copy and paste first here. So that AD is my dataset name for tab, right? I'll show you, don't worry. I'll remove this all. So AD, you have to right click on it, go to the properties, then copy the path. From security, copy this path, Control C, and I'm closing this. Okay, and I'm pasting here. Okay, this is a tab, no? Yes, I'm explaining about the tab delimited file. So for that, this is an important delimited file, tab delimited file. For that, interviewer may ask this important interview question. Okay, one important interview question is there: how to import a tab delimited from outside to inside? Means you have to say that we will use DLM is equals to 09. Okay, with the single quotations and X also. Okay, this is your answer. I'll run this. Which text file is remaining? AV is remaining, right? So yeah, I'm copying the path of AV. So this is my AV dataset. Okay, I am printing AV dataset. I have copied the path. In my text file, I have a dollar sign, right? Only dollar signs you can see. Observation values are separated by the dollar sign. So what you will give here? Dollar sign. Clear? I'm giving dollar sign. I'm running here this thing. You can see the data is imported from outside to inside. Okay, this is clear. One important interview question, that how will you extract the multiple delimiters from outside to inside? This is also an important interview question. In your infile statement, they might ask. So see, I'm using different multiple symbols here. Okay, this one is star. Okay, and this one is at the rate. Okay, now you can see this. Okay, you are seeing here how many symbols. Dollar is one symbol, percentile is dollar is one symbol. Yes, percentile is another symbol, at the rate is another symbol, and star is another symbol. So how many symbols you have totally? 4. That 103. Again I am giving dollar symbol. Okay, so now you can see here that I have used different symbols. Okay, these are nothing but other delimited files. Okay, special symbols. Okay, so how many symbols you can see here? Dollar is 1, percentile is 2, at the rate is 3, star is 4, and is 5. Again dollar is there. Don't count this. Okay, don't count this. So 5 symbols we have used. I am saving this, and then I will copy the path. What is my text file name in which I have given other delimited files? So I am copying this. What is my text file name? AV, right? So close this, and I am pasting here. So this is my AV dataset that I have used only for the dollar. Okay, only dollar is there in my text source. Dollar symbol is there. Okay. Next is which symbol? You can see at the rate symbol. Okay. Next is and symbol is there. Percentile symbol is there. Okay. These are my symbols, and one more symbol is star symbol is there. So I'll execute this. Do we get or not? You will see. Okay, successfully our data is imported from outside to inside. Okay, so you can use in the single quotations, use, otherwise you can give comma here. Okay, you can give comma here, and you can run. This is also another way. This is also, it is possible. How many delimited files we have learned? 5. What is that? First is space, second is comma, third is pipe delimited file, fourth is tab delimited file, and fifth is any other delimited file that contains special symbols, right? Clear?